everyone. Today we are going to start number lecture 11, typology of morphological system. The plan of our lecture, typology of part of speech according to their meaning, morphological characteristics. As we know, Kazakh and English belong to different language families. English is a Germanic one, Kazakh is an Altaic one. It means that these languages genetically aren't cognate, related. In order to compare one language with another, we must find out such general features in both languages that we can correlate or compare. Russian is a part of the Slavonic branch of the Indo-European language family. It's closely related to other Slavic languages such as Polish, Czech, and Serbo-Croatian. Russian is spoken as a mother tongue by about 115 million, and Russian are very different in many important aspects. In particular, their grammar systems show significant variation. English has a fairly fixed word order. Meaning is expressed through the addition of words, for example, auxiliaries, movement of words with limited boundaries. Russian, on the other hand, conveys meaning largely throughout change in the composition or word by inflections or the addition of prefix and suffix. Its word order is very fluid. Because of these differences, Russians often find learning English a serious challenge. According to the meaning, morphological characteristics and syntactical function world fall under certain classes called part of speech. In English, we distinguish between notional and structural parts of speech. Kaushanskaya and Kojevnikova in the book, which is Practical Course of English Grammar, give a general classification of the part of speech. There are 9 notional parts of speech. Here the following example. The first one, the noun. The second one, adjectives. Third one, the pronoun. Fourth, the numerals. And the fifth, the verb. The interjunction and the fourth structural part of speech, which express relations between word or sentence or emphasize the meaning of word or sentence. They never perform any independent function in the sentence. Here the preposition, the conjunction, the participle, and the article. It's common knowledge that the prepositions are most important element of the structure of many languages, particularly those which, like modern English, have no developed case by system in the nominal part of speech. The prepositions in English are less closely connected with the word or phrase they introduce than, say, in Russian. This greater independence of English prepositions manifests itself in various ways. The preposition is traditionally defined as a word expressing the relations between words in the sentence. The weakness of the traditional definition is that it does not allow us to distinguish prepositions from subordinating conjunction. For instance, she never saw him after the concert, and she never saw him after he left town. In traditional analysis, the preposition is used with the noun phrase, not with the verb phrase, such being the case after in the first sentence a preposition, while after in the second sentence is a conjunction. In other words, the state of the after is determined by the linguistic status of the following phrase. Accepting this approach, we shall have to treat the two uses of after as homonymous. A new approach is the preposition and the subordinating conjunction is to treat the two traditional categories as the prepositions. Concise conclusion on the typology of morphological systems. Categorize language based on how they use morphemes to form words. The four main types, isolating, agglutinative, fusional, and polysynthetic, demonstrate different strategies for encoding grammatical information. As you know, while isolating language really one separate word with minimal affixation, agglutinative language use distinct affixes for each grammatical function. And the fusional language blend multiple meaning into single affix, and the polysynthetic language form highly complex word with many morphemes. However, most language exist on spectrum rather than fitting nearly into a single type. Understanding these systems help linguists explore language structure, evolution, and the cognitive proceeding. The lecture is over. See you soon.